is that a lot of religious exemptions that people are claiming, and there's lots of them right now, are based on myths. People saying, for instance, that all vaccines are made using fetal cells and I'm pro-life. Well, that's simply not true. One vaccine, Johnson and Johnson, was developed using cells derived from fetal cells from 40 years ago. But those cells have been replicated thousands of times in the lab, and basically every other medicine that we take was was developed using these same lines. So every antibiotic was also developed using these fetal cell lines, and more importantly, there are several vaccines, Pfizer, Moderna, et cetera, that were not developed using fetal lines. So I think correcting these misunderstandings is important.
So, where no major religion is anti-vax, and I'm hearing anecdotally and most troublesome among healthcare providers that all of a sudden people are, finding religion, it seems disproportionate, right? I mean, there aren't that many folks known to be following religions other than the major denominations suddenly asserting, hey, all of a sudden, it reminds me of when, as a plaintiff's lawyer, I'd be trying a case, and during the jury selection process, I would have a disproportionate number of folks claiming to be Jehovah's Witnesses who suddenly couldn't sit in judgment. And my attitude was, well, I didn't even want you on the jury in that case. Anyway, respond to the disproportionality if there is one.
I think people are using it as an excuse. People are saying, I just don't want a vaccine, be it because of my political views or I don't want someone jabbing me in the arm. But we need to remember that by not getting a vaccine, we are putting other people in danger. We have thousands of Americans dying every day of COVID, and we can stop this pandemic if we get everyone vaccinated. And I think religious exemptions are a major problem in getting that done.
Amen to that, pun intended. Thank you, Dr. Klitzman.
Thank you very much.
Let's see what you're saying.